Come on, baby. This key is like the worst thing ever. There she is. 108,800 miles. And I can feel the ticking in the clutch pedal. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MNMS383. Trying to remember the year. 383, like a stroker motor, baby. 1992 Mitsubishi 3000GT VR4. Very, very faded because we imported this thing from California.
And then it's a Cali emissions vehicle.
Berkeley, California. We went all the way to California to try to find a rust-free 3000GT VR4. I think we found one. Little rough around the edges, and the motor has the notorious lifter tick, but it's all there. It runs, it moves, it creates boost. So when you buy this motor, just plan on doing the upgraded lifters. It's the, whatever the heck 3rd gen lifters are. I did it way back in the day to mine, and then it blew up. But that's neither here nor there. Oh, that's what totaled it. A little bit of this. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Oh. Come on, baby. This key is like the worst thing ever. There she is. 108,800 miles. And I can feel the ticking in the clutch pedal. That's hilarious. Not gonna lie, folks. It's noisy. There she is in all her glory. Still has oil, but man, that's loud. Definitely on the backside. You've heard enough of a ticking DSM now. A lot of good parts on this car, loaded front bumper, both headlights. Everything's obviously a little sun faded. Interior's seen some better days. 1992 California sun. This is what happens. Gosh, is that thing loud. Oh, I turned the spoiler on. Oh, it reset. Lame. Well, let's see what else is going on here. Climate control needs rebuilt. Ooh, that's a nice color radio. Somebody was driving this bad boy. 2010, maybe not. Oh, let's test the windows. Oh, great, those don't work. Master switch broken. Power locks work. Headlights work. Out of gas. Oh man, all right, let's test all this stuff here. What do we got going on? Sport. Cannot get those things to quiet down. Oh, that's my seat switch. How do I move this mirror? That's right, I owned one of these. Come on. Well, that mirror don't work. That mirror does. Let's try this one more time for all those in the front. Nothing. She's making oil pressure. Stay running, baby. All right, and of course this key is jank.com. Oh look, there was a broken key we managed to extract out of it. Oh, all right guys. That is gonna wrap it up for MNMS383, the Mitsubishi 3000GT VR4. Full disclaimer, that motor is making noise. I believe it to be the top end. I'm not an expert. Take anything I say with a grain of salt. I'm just an idiot with a camera on YouTube, so bid accordingly when you come across this engine. Personally, I think you could do some work and fix that up, but again, I make no promises as to what that noise is. I'm not an expert, just an idiot on the internet. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap it up though for MNMS383, our 1992 Mitsubishi 3000GT VR4. If you guys want to look for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description. Head on over to our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com. Give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555.